everyone, I'm Iban Kang and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we will explore the exciting world of software development together, and I'm very excited to share all this stuff with you. Let me tell you about myself. So I recently graduated from Punjab University Patiala. So my batch is 2025, and from January I will start my career as a software developer. So I will share all this stuff with you slowly through this channel, through my videos. So yeah. So if I talk about why I choose BTech as a career. So from 10th standard I start learning about the coding through some courses in the local industry. I did some 3 months courses in the institutes about learn the Excel, MS Word. Apart from that, they also introduced me some coding language also, like I learned a little bit C there. And then मुझे थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट आने लगा इन चीज़ों में कंप्यूटर में सो देन आई लर्न जावा एंड आफ्टर दैट आई लर्न टू मेक एंड्रॉयड एप्स now in BTech I work on three things: Java, Android Studio, and DBMS. So these three things make me a developer. I build pretty good projects using these technologies. Apart from that, I also explore the domains like AI/ML, cybersecurity, networking, and yeah, Flutter, React Native. So मैं जॉब स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ जनवरी में 2025 में. सो आई विल ऑल्सो upload the vlogs about my journey as a software developer. Apart from that, I will also explore the videos how to learn specific language like Java and how to build some projects and how to enter some domain like Android as a web developer, as a AI/ML expert. So which are the initial things you have to learn to enter these specific domains. So yeah, this is only the introduction video about myself कि मैं हूँ कौन. सो आप थोड़ा बहुत जान सकें कि मेरे पास क्या क्या अभी एक्सपीरियंस है. थ्रू आउट द आई विल लर्न अ लॉट and I will share all this stuff with you. So subscribe my channel so that you will get updated about my videos. And yeah, I'm very excited to share all these things with you. So bye bye.